Why?
If you ask me, I
Yes.
would say buyers should always be very cautious. The fact that you're operating in a market that is booming or about to grow or set to double does not mean that everyone is making money or everyone will make money. So the buyer should always do his homework or her homework. This is number one. Number two, I think we're in a completely different economics dynamics, at a global level, which means today the inflation is a major issue. And if you ask me today what they're trying to do, they're trying to balance between, okay, I put the interest rate higher, so I slow down the economy so the demand slows down. And when the demand slows down, then the inflation will go down. They don't want to get it to a place where it becomes too slow, so it turns into a global recession.
Yes.
If you ask me, inflation has no solution. This is a problem that's been just growing with a snowball effect for the last, 20, 30, 40 years since they separated the gold from, from backing the dollar. So I think today this inflation thing makes even real estate investment 10 times more important and valid than before when compared to keeping actually cash in your hands. And today, if you want to invest, you need to invest in something that you can control. You can only control what you can understand. And today, if I put you with 10 experts that talks about derivatives and stock market and you would not be able to really understand what's happening because that is too deep and too broad as well. But real estate, everyone understands. So I think even if the market is about to collapse or the market is about to double, in both cases, if you factor your exit at the time you're making the investment and you're buying the best deal on the market, then either ways, if the market stays as is, you'll achieve your returns. If the market goes higher, you will do more. If the market goes down, you will still lose less than anyone else. I'm just saying that there is always an opportunity to make money, even if the market is on its way to collapse or on its way to double. People made so much money in the recession. People made so much money in the booming market. There are always opportunities,
100%,
right?
100%.
Today, for example, we came up with the development management as a product. Why? Because we feel the market's all-time high, supply and demand.
Yep.
So we want to enable our investors to tap into the development profit margin, which means today, for example, if you buy land for 10 million and you want to build a villa on it, it costs you, for example, another 10 million to build a villa, that's 20 million dirhams.
Yep.
You know that the villa next to you is selling for, say, for example, just for easy calculation, is selling for 40.
Yep.
Now, you're building something that will cost you 20 and you will sell for 40.
Yep.
This 100% profit or 50% profit, before I even think of the upside, I would think even if the market drops by 50%, I get my money back.
Yep.
The market stays as
It's
is.
still safe, yeah.
I make my profit as planned. The market goes